If you're still wondering what to get your Valentine this year, here's a tip. Men and women are different. We've heard it before, but now neuroscientists can see the differences in our brains and our mental health.
Men in adulthood are more prone to certain psychiatric disorders, such as substance use disorders like with alcohol or illicit drugs, schizophrenia, or antisocial personality disorder. And women are more prone to disorders such as anxiety, depressive, and eating disorders.
In the journal Cerebral Cortex, researchers say men and women's brains are wired differently. Goldstein and her team studied this with a scanning technique called magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI.
Men and women differ in the size of particular brain structures, and that may reflect sex differences in the number of nerve cells or the connections between them.
In this 3D animation of the brain, the areas colored red are bigger in women, and those colored blue are bigger in men relative to the total size of their brains.
We also know that brain regions that show sex differences in size have been found to be important for understanding a number of these disorders.
Goldstein says men and women's brains are different even before they're born, so understanding how your sex normally affects connections in the brain could explain sex differences in a number of psychiatric and neurological disorders. I'm Brad Closa.